What do you mean? One? Oh, it's... No, it says one. What's going on here? What the heck? Wait, I will set my spawn points. Here. I'm terrified. What do you mean one? Nuka-Cola bottle cap. I think you're giving me useless stuff. Gun oil. 20 gouge bucks. I'm not sure what the stuff is. And what it's for. Diesel canister. Dang it. Dang it, leave me alone. I'm closing the door again. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. What's coughing? Please put the effect away. There's something in there. I'm not imagining this, right? There's something coughing in there. Stop this. Stop. It's probably still here since I still have the effect. Stop this. No, no, no. I'm not dealing with this. Please. Dang it. Okay, wait, I'm just gonna... This is sickening. Alright. Why is nothing in here? I can't move. I can't move. I can't move. This is terrifying. Please let me go. I'm just gonna leave. I don't like this effect. I hope this disappears if I just go away from... Why am I getting caught of the hive? Stop this. Oh, there's probably a graveyard close to this. Is this one? This might be one. I'm getting... No. No.